In this training video, let me show you step by step how affiliate marketing works, how people promote other people's products, and how you can start getting traffic, quality traffic, free traffic to your affiliate link. As you know, traffic is very, very important when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you're promoting someone else's product, you could have the most beautiful website, beautiful landing page, or the vendor can have the best product on the internet, but if there's no traffic coming in, you can't generate any sale. Now, what is traffic? That's the most important part you need to understand, because I can remember when I got started online, it took me so much time to figure out what is traffic. I just didn't know what traffic meant. Everyone was talking about you need to get traffic, you need to get traffic, you need to get traffic, but I just didn't know what traffic means and what does it mean when it comes to getting traffic. So in this video, I'm going to show you very quick overview how affiliate marketing works, how you can start getting traffic to your page. Traffic means a real human eyeball to the affiliate offer. Now, that affiliate offer, it could be someone else's offer, or it could be your own product, your own system, your own blog, your own website. If you can get traffic, then you just have to worry about conversions. That's it, which is only about 10 to 20%. Traffic is the most important part. So if you can solve the problems for your traffic, you have solved 80% of your problem. So let's dive into this video and let me give you a quick overview on how affiliate marketing works. Okay, so for this video, we're going to talk about this network called Clickbank, because Clickbank is one of the best places to get started as an affiliate. If you're getting started online and you're looking for very good products to promote, then I highly recommend you get started with Clickbank, because Clickbank is trustworthy. It is a marketplace where you can actually go out there, go to the marketplace and choose a right product. Now, a lot of people who don't know what Clickbank is, when they hear about Clickbank, they believe it's like a bank account. That's what happened to me when I got started online and I was introduced to Clickbank. I thought it was a bank account. Okay, Clickbank is not a bank account. It's an affiliate network that has thousands of products online. You can choose a product and you can promote a product. Registering an account with Clickbank is free. Okay, and every time you choose a product to promote, you drive traffic, and through your traffic, which is your affiliate link, someone purchases the product, you earn a commission. Okay, so I'm going to show you, this is Clickbank. I'm in the Clickbank marketplace. So I'm going to go to all, and then you could see here, these are all the products, categories, subcategories. So I could choose any product related to betting and systems, cooking, e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness. Then if I go into the subcategory, you can see in e-business, e-marketing, they have affiliate marketing, article marketing, email marketing, video marketing. So there's so much things to promote. Okay, let me just give you a quick overview and what people do and how to promote products. So if I just go to e-business, e-marketing, Clickbank is going to give me all these products that I can promote. Check this out. Okay, check this out. Here's another product down here that I can promote. Approval is required for this product, but if I wanted to promote this product, what I would do is just get my affiliate link, start driving some traffic to it, okay, and then check my stats to see if I'm seeing some order form, impression counts, etc. There also, you could check the sales page. Down here, you could also check the affiliate page. The affiliate page gives you the resource and the tools for you to promote the product, so it's a win-win. Okay, then you could see here they have other products down here. There are so many products on the Clickbank platform that you can promote. So I'm just going to go for one product down here and just show you how it all works. So just say I want you to promote this product. Then Clickbank gives you a lot more information. For example, they give you the amount of commission you're going to get paid. They give you the EPC. They give you the gravity. If you don't understand what this all means, just hover your mouse and then Clickbank explains everything what this means. Okay, so if I wanted to promote this product, the first thing I would do is check the sales page, making sure that it's something that I would buy if I was the first person to purchase this, looking for a way to make money online. Okay, and then I would check the affiliate page. The affiliate page has the resource and the tools for me to promote the product, so it helps me drive traffic. Now, if I want to promote this product, I'm just going to click on the get affiliate link, put my Clickbank username down here. Okay, and then click on continue, and then if I scroll down, it's going to give me this long link. Okay, this is my affiliate link, which is called a hop link. I'm going to be driving traffic to this link, and every time someone purchases the product through this link, I get a credit. Okay, it's that simple. Now the question comes, how do I drive traffic? So there are two ways to drive traffic to this page. One is free, one is paid. I've already spoke about paid traffic source. I will be coming up with some new paid traffic sources and showing you exactly how to create more paid traffic campaigns, so stay tuned for that. But for this purpose, I'm just going to show you quickly how you can start getting some free traffic. Okay, so one of the best free traffic sources, okay, you can use is called Instagram. Instagram is a great way to generate free traffic. You just create a profile and you start posting on a daily basis 2 to 3 times for the next 90 days. Doing this for 90 days, the algorithm of Instagram is going to pick you up and they're going to start giving you some boost, and that boost is going to go, that boost will potentially get you viral and start getting some traffic. A lot of people are doing this, and a lot of people are building their 6-figure, 7-figure, or even 4-5-figure businesses using Instagram. Another way to get free traffic is you could use Facebook groups, Facebook pages, Facebook profiles. Okay, so if you have these kind of Facebook group, Facebook profile, you could go to Facebook and you can start generating a lot of traffic. It is another traffic pool that was just launched and people are using it a lot, okay, and that is called Threads. If you go to Threads and you start creating some posts, you can generate a lot of traffic, no joke. Okay, a lot of people are building their business using this free traffic network. Okay, it's a free traffic network. If you continue to come here, post certain things and start generating, and then you're going to start seeing some interaction, you're going to start seeing some likes, comments, shares, and you're going to see people coming and really looking into your business, and you're going to get a lot of free traffic. Okay, this is how you generate free traffic to your affiliate link. Now, creating an account with Thread is free, and right now, because it's just been a couple of, probably, I don't know, but it's been recent where this was launched. So if you get on board right now with Thread, you can expect yourself to be on the top if you do everything the way it's supposed to be done correctly, with the correct mindset, and with consistency is the key. Okay, so if you do everything, then you can expect to get a lot of results. There's another free traffic source. Let me just show you that. Okay, I hope I'm spelling it right. Okay, let me see if this is it. Okay, I don't know if it's this one or okay, I'll have to look into this. I don't think it's this one. I think they've changed it. So there's so many other free traffic sources as well that I'm going to be covering in my future videos, so stay tuned for that. Now, this is the manual way of doing affiliate marketing. So you come to Clickbank, you choose the right product, and then once you got your product, then you just want to post your links, okay, on these free traffic sources, not just one time, but you want to keep on doing it with different angles in a way that it doesn't feel like you are spamming people. It doesn't feel like you're a salesy person. It doesn't feel like you're trying to get a sale. Okay, now there's one part that I need to talk about, and can you remember I told you that you get your affiliate link, that long affiliate link? That is not allowed on these free traffic networks. So don't try and post that link. If you do, you're going to get suspended. Okay, so if you have a free long affiliate link, what you want to do, you want to come to a website like this website here, okay, and then you just want to shorten that link by pasting it here. Okay, so you paste it here, click on shorten link, and it's going to shorten that link for you, and then you will able to post that short link onto these websites. Okay, now the best way to promote an affiliate product, if you want long-term success, to build a real solid legitimate business, is not to drive traffic directly to an affiliate link like this, but instead creating a free squeeze page or a free bridge page to actually subconsciously sell them even before they visit the product. And this way you're going to make a lot of money and a lot of sales potentially. Okay, what is a lead magnet page? A lead magnet page looks something like this. So you have a general page just like this, telling people what this is all about and what to expect on the next page. So when they go to the next page, they see this and they say, oh, I want this. This looks interesting. Let me check this out. And they go into it and they look into it. If they like it, they buy it, you get the credit. Okay. These type of pages will just take around 5 to 10 minutes for you to create. It's so easy. It's so simple, and you can do it very, very quickly within a couple of minutes. So I highly recommend you create a lead magnet page and using that lead magnet page to drive traffic instead of driving direct traffic to an affiliate link. Now, this is the manual way of making money online with affiliate marketing. But guess what? There are certain products on Clickbank that actually does the heavy lifting for you. With those products, if you get access to those products, the free training and the setup tools, they will able to help you generate those sales and commissions and get traffic. A lot of people, the most people online struggle to generate traffic, and these products are there to help you generate traffic. In fact, they get the traffic for you. One of the products that I do recommend joining if you are interested and if you want to really get all the heavy lifting off your head and you want something that will get you the traffic and real human visitors to your affiliate link with a proven track record and of a proven product that's converting very, very well, is this product down here. Okay, it's called the CB Profit Club. I'm part of this product. It's a very good product in my opinion. It's a product like step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, you watch the video, which is only 2 minutes to 5 minutes, and you can set up everything within 30 minutes, everything. And the good part is that this person who's a 9x platinum vendor also helps you generate traffic, get you traffic, and in fact he has a done for you solution where you don't have to lift a finger to get traffic. He will get the traffic for you. Okay, so if you're into something that you don't have time to do this, or you're just getting started with affiliate marketing but you are interested in earning commissions with Clickbank, or you just don't want to learn how to get traffic at this moment because you're lacking time or any reason, and you just want a done for you solution where the heavy lifting is done for you, especially when it comes to traffic generation, then I highly recommend you check out this product called the CB Profit Club. It's one of the best products at this current moment on Clickbank that is helping newbies and beginners generate commissions. Okay, so that's all for now. Stay tuned because I'm going to come up with some more powerful videos to help you reach your goals and become a successful super affiliate.